Hey everyone, in this video let's find out how you can use lip sync in Higgsfield. In order to do so, here we are at Higgsfield.ai, and what we're looking for can be found in the main menu under video. Going to hover over video and we're going to get this menu. Then we're going to go down and you can see here where it says Lip Sync Studio. Let's go ahead and click on that. Then from there, lip sync models, one click away, create lip synced videos with the world's leading models from Infinity Talk and Higgsfield Speak to Google VO3, Kling, and more. So first off, you're going to upload an image or a video. You're going to generate or upload audio, and then you're going to select the model and generate. So once you have done that, then you will get your lip sync results. So we have here, it shows that it's going to cost us 9 credits to generate something. Let's go ahead and try something out here. Okay, so we have uploaded our photo and we have put in our audio text. Just something small. We're doing 5 seconds duration. Right now we're on the WAN 2.5 fast model. Depending on what we choose, this is going to cost more credits. So let's just see here what we get with Kling. And with Kling, that's 9 credits. So that's not too bad. Let's see about Infinity Talk. So in order to get access to Infinity Talk, then you actually are going to need a subscription. So just be aware of that. And let's see here. Did we lose our point? Okay. So we got to enter in our text again. We could put in a prompt here. We'll just say simple man talking. And we are using Kling. Let's go ahead and hit generate. Okay, so it does say that we do get 10 monthly credits. But apparently that might be a glitch or something, but it is bringing us back here to the subscription page. But that gives you an idea of how you can access Higgsfield Lip Sync Studio. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. And if you click on our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link in order to get $50 to open up an account. And once you have, you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.